What is going on, Team Prime? I am back with another review, and today we're going to take a look at Transformers Generations Studio Series Transformers 1 Ratchet. Hold on, I gotta... So before we take a look at Ratchet, let's get to the box. So you have a nice big image here of Ratchet from the first movie. There's Ratchet again. There's Ratchet again. On the inside, you got the display base, which we'll cover later. On the back of the box, you have your obligatory product shots. Ratchet, Bumblebee, Stinger, Crowbar, all that fun stuff. Okay. Here is movie 1, Ratchet, in his custom Hummer mode. And, I like the mold. I don't like these colors all that much. I prefer the upcoming Dark of the Moon colors, truth be told. Just because it's this bright neon green again. Here's his weapon, a silver saw blade, not the gun. You can peg it right there. That looks really dumb. But painted headlights up here. All up here, they're painted. Nothing back here but the door windows. The rescue symbol. All that fun stuff. So for comparison, here he is with Voyager Studio Optimus. And, that's not... Prime really doesn't scale that well with anybody in vehicle form. Honestly, hold on. He's crooked now. There you go. He doesn't really scale that well with anybody in vehicle mode. Outside of maybe Megatron. So, there's that. This thing keeps wanting to go off-center. Now let's get Ratchet into his robot mode via the power of stop motion. I'm going to start doing that now from on. So, let's do it. Here he is in his robot mode, and he looks really good, aside from this jutting out of his butt. But oh well. Now, my only downfall with this figure, again, the lack of paint. I mean, we've got nice silver paint down here on his feet and right here on his shins. And some silver paint up here on his mouth, but that's it. His arms aren't painted any color. He's got gray here and gray in here. I wish this figure would have had more of this gray color throughout. That would have been really cool. Now, let's give him his buzzsaw weapon. Like, I don't like that. Articulation-wise, his head can do a full 360. Arms are on a ball joint up here at the base, so they go out like that. Bicep swivel. Double jointed elbows. Nothing at the waist. Hips can go forward. They can't really go back. They go in and out. Thigh swivel. Pretty good knee bend and a lot of movement at the foot. Alright. Now, for comparison with Ratchet. Okay, now for comparison with Ratchet, let's bring in first number 1, Bumblebee. Hold on. His hips really love to play with me. There he is with Bumblebee. You can see he's about a head or so taller than B. Give or take, yeah. Here he is with Stinger, number 2. And yes, I did paint his head up a little bit. Here he is with number 3, Crowbar. They're about the same height, just about. Here he is with number 5, Optimus Prime. That's good scale. And the box fell over because of this guy. Number 6, Starscream. There he is with Starscream. Now I'm just going to bring in all of the studio series that I own thus far. Let's see if I can get them all together like that. Out of frame. It'll do. So this is my entire studio series collection as it is. The tallest being Starscream and the shortest being Bumblebee. I'm loving studio series. I absolutely love the movie aesthetics. Though, I do want to complain, Optimus should just be a little bigger. Actually, Starscream, I think, is the only reason he's standing like that is just because with how I got him standing. Well, let me fix that. There we go. Yeah, he's still the biggest figure out of the entire bunch. There we go. I don't have the light like that. But I can't. Ah. Back in frame. So, yeah. Now let's get everybody out of here. We're going to leave Ratchet there. Now I'm going to grab this box that fell right here. We're going to get out his display base. There's the display base. So now, Ratchet's in the city fighting the Chicago, or the Mission City battle. Cool. These are cool, but I don't have the room to display them the way that I want them to. Come on. This box, I swear, loves giving me trouble. There. So, but that is... if you're going to pick up a version of Ratchet, I would highly recommend you pick up the Dark of the Moon version of the mold. It just looks great as it is. But yeah. Lights. So this has been the review of the Transformers Generations Transformers the Movie Deluxe Class Autobot Ratchet. If you guys did enjoy this review, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't already, go check out my Studio Series playlist, where you can watch the other reviews, like Starscream, or Optimus Prime, Bumblebee, Stinger, Crowbar, all of them. Just head on over to that playlist if you want to check out the videos. So, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all later.